Snakes, mysterious and often misunderstood creatures. Creatures of stealth and power, they move with an elegance that belies their lethal potential. They evoke both fear and fascination, a duality that has captured human imagination for centuries. Today we journey into the world of two such serpents, both bearing the regal title of king, the king cobra, or Ophiophagus hana, a snake that commands respect and awe. And the king snake, known scientifically as Lampropeltis getula, a master of disguise and a formidable predator in its own right. These remarkable reptiles, while sharing a name, are vastly different in their biology and behavior. The king cobra, with its majestic hood and potent venom, stands in stark contrast to the king snake, a non-venomous constrictor known for its strength and adaptability. The king cobra, a true giant among snakes, is renowned for its deadly venom and imposing size. It can grow up to 18 feet long, making it the longest venomous snake in the world. Its venom is so potent that it can kill an elephant with a single bite. On the other hand, the king snake, a constrictor of remarkable strength, reigns supreme in its own right. It is known for its ability to kill and eat other snakes, including venomous ones, by constricting them until they can no longer breathe. Join me as we delve into the fascinating characteristics of these serpentine monarchs. We will explore their habitats, their hunting techniques, and their unique adaptations that make them such effective predators. And ponder the outcome of a hypothetical encounter between these two kings of the snake world. Who would emerge victorious in a battle of strength versus venom? Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of these incredible creatures. The king cobra, a denizen of the dense jungles of Southeast Asia, is a creature that commands both fear and respect. This magnificent serpent is not just any snake, it is the longest venomous snake in the world, capable of reaching lengths of over 18 feet. Its sleek, muscular body moves with a grace that belies its deadly nature. The king cobra's scales, often adorned in shades of olive green or black, shimmer under the dappled sunlight of the forest canopy, adding to its majestic appearance. These scales not only provide protection but also aid in camouflage, allowing the king cobra to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. This camouflage is crucial for both hunting and avoiding potential threats. The king cobra is an active hunter, preying primarily on other snakes, including some of the most venomous species. Its diet also includes lizards, birds, and small mammals. This apex predator is highly intelligent, with exceptional eyesight that allows it to track and ambush its prey with deadly precision. Its venom, a potent neurotoxin, is delivered through two large fangs. A single bite can deliver a massive dose of venom, enough to kill an elephant. The king cobra's venom attacks the nervous system, causing paralysis and, if untreated, death. Despite its fearsome reputation, the king cobra is not aggressive by nature and will avoid confrontation if possible. However, when threatened, it can become highly defensive. The king cobra is also known for its distinctive hood, an impressive display of scales that flares out when the snake feels threatened. This hood, combined with its loud hiss, serves as a warning to potential predators and rivals. The king cobra's ability to stand up and look a human in the eye is another unique feature that sets it apart from other snakes. This behavior, along with its hood display, makes it one of the most formidable creatures in the animal kingdom. In addition to its physical prowess, the king cobra is also a symbol of power and mystique in many cultures. Revered and feared, it has been the subject of countless myths and legends. The king cobra's role in the ecosystem is equally important, as it helps control the population of other snakes, maintaining a balance in its habitat. The majesty of the king cobra lies not just in its size and strength, but also in its intelligence, adaptability, and the awe it inspires in those who encounter it. The king snake, found throughout North and Central America, is a master of camouflage and constriction. These remarkable reptiles have adapted to a wide range of environments, from dense forests to open grasslands, showcasing their incredible versatility and survival skills. Its glossy scales, often exhibiting a pattern of alternating black and yellow bands, provide effective camouflage in its varied habitats. This striking coloration not only helps them blend into their surroundings but also serves as a warning to potential predators, mimicking the appearance of more dangerous species. King snakes are smaller than their cobra counterparts, typically reaching lengths of 3 to 6 feet. Despite their relatively modest size, they are formidable hunters, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Their slender, agile bodies allow them to navigate through tight spaces and ambush unsuspecting victims with precision. However, what they lack in size, they more than make up for in strength. Their powerful muscles enable them to constrict their prey with incredible force, cutting off blood flow and causing rapid incapacitation. This method of hunting is both efficient and deadly, ensuring the king snake's place at the top of the food chain. King snakes are non-venomous constrictors, overpowering their prey by wrapping their muscular bodies around them and squeezing tightly. This technique allows them to subdue a wide variety of prey, including rodents, birds, and even other snakes. Their diet is diverse, reflecting their adaptability and resourcefulness in the wild. They are immune to the venom of other snakes, a trait that allows them to prey on venomous species, including rattlesnakes. This immunity gives them a significant advantage in their ecosystem, enabling them to hunt and consume some of the most dangerous creatures in their environment. The king snake's reign is truly a testament to its evolutionary prowess and resilience. Imagine, if you will, a dense jungle clearing in Southeast Asia. The air is thick with humidity, and the forest floor is a mosaic of fallen leaves and dappled sunlight. A king cobra, drawn by the scent of prey, slithers silently through the undergrowth. Unbeknownst to the cobra, a king snake transported far from its natural habitat is also on the move. Perhaps it was brought here by accident, a stowaway on a cargo ship. Perhaps it was released into the wild by an irresponsible owner. Whatever the reason, the stage is set for an encounter between two kings. Section 5. Venom, a lethal weapon. In a face-off between these two serpentine monarchs, the king cobra's venom would be its primary weapon. A single bite from this venomous serpent could prove fatal to the king snake. However, the king snake possesses a remarkable defense mechanism: resistance to snake venom. This immunity, a product of evolution, allows the king snake to consume venomous snakes in its native habitat. Whether this immunity would protect it from the potent neurotoxin of the king cobra remains uncertain. Section 6. Size and Strength, a tale of two titans. The king cobra, significantly larger and heavier than the king snake, would have a clear advantage in size and strength. Its powerful muscles could easily overpower the smaller snake. However, the king snake is renowned for its agility and lightning-fast reflexes. It could potentially evade the cobra's strikes and use its own agility to its advantage. The king snake's constricting ability, a formidable weapon in its own right, should not be underestimated. A well-aimed coil around the cobra's body could prove fatal, even for a creature as large and powerful as the king cobra. Section 7. The Verdict, a hypothetical victor. In this hypothetical encounter, the odds would likely favor the king cobra. Its larger size, potent venom, and aggressive nature give it a significant advantage. However, the king snake's venom resistance, agility, and constricting ability cannot be discounted. A single mistake from the cobra, a moment of hesitation, could give the king snake the opening it needs to deliver a fatal blow. Section 8. Separate Kingdoms. It is important to remember that this encounter is purely hypothetical. In the wild, king cobras and king snakes occupy different continents and ecosystems. They are unlikely to ever cross paths. Their hypothetical battle serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity and adaptations found in the natural world. Both the king cobra and the king snake are perfectly adapted to their respective environments, reigning supreme in their own right. They remind us of the power of evolution and the delicate balance that exists within our planet's ecosystems.